Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing my all-time favorite Amazon purchases. Let's get started. The first group of things I'm going to be reviewing will be the electronic accessories. My first item is the USB-C hub for the MacBook Air from RayQ. It's a 6-in-1 adapter Type-C port, USB. There's 3 USB ports, an SD, a TF card port, and it retails for $18.99. Here is the 10-inch LED ring light with phone and tablet tripod kit. It is iPhone and Android compatible. It has 3 light modes, cool, natural, and warm, and 10 levels of dimming, and this retails for $49.99. Here is the iPad Pro 11 keyboard case. It has a detachable keyboard stand with iPencil slot holder, and it retails for $36.99. My next item is a Draw Pen Stylus, a rechargeable active stylus smart pen with 2-in-1 copper and mesh fine tip. It has a 5-minute auto shutoff. This digital pen is for Apple iPad and iPhone. It comes in 2 colors, white or black, and retails for $25.99. I love this pen. I use it all the time, and the price is perfect. I would rather pay the $25.99 than over $100 for the Apple Pencil. So yeah, if you want something that's comparable, check this one out. Next, I have the Universal Swivel TV Stand Base for TVs 37 to 65 inches. It's height adjustable and holds up to 88 pounds and retails for $49.99. Next, we have the Chamberlain Group Clicker Universal Keyless Entry Garage Door Opener, and it retails for $32.93. We bought this because we needed the kids to be able to get into our house after school, and we were always afraid they were going to lose their keys or forget their keys or whatever. So we just mounted this on the outside of our garage door, and they just put in the little keypad. They type the code into the keypad, and it works great. So yeah, I highly recommend. Check it out. The next thing is a video vlog setup for the Canon's G7X Mark III. There's a shotgun microphone, cold shoe extension bracket, and a portable extendable tripod, and this retails for $69.95. Next is the Amicom Outdoor Security Camera. It has 1080p Wi-Fi camera, a PIR smart motion detection, an IP camera with IP66 waterproof, IR night vision, an activity alert, and a deterrent alarm. This retails for $39.99. This was actually something that I got for the outside of our house because there was some vandalization going on, and it works really well. My next category is for the kitchen. My next item is a 4-pack of refrigerator door locks with keys. They have an adhesive back to them, and they're amazing. You can put them on cupboards, refrigerators, anywhere that you want to keep people out of. It really works. We got these because my son likes to go downstairs in the middle of the night and eat a ton of food, and we just had to put some restrictions on it, so these worked out amazing. Next, we have the Asani 11-piece silicone cooking utensil set with wooden bamboo handles. It's BPA free, they're non-stick, and they're dishwasher safe. They retail for $21.99. Next, I have the Mon Art Peach Cobbler Recipe Art Retro Tin Sign, and it's 8 by 12 inches, and it retails for $8.89. This is another tin sign I have, and it's the Sumic Hot Apple Cider Recipe Retro Tin Sign, 8 inches by 12 inches, and retails for $7.99. I also have the Strawberry Shortcake Recipe Tin Sign, but they were sold out, so I couldn't put that one on here. Here's a picture of how I have it above my sink in my kitchen. Next, I have an American Weigh Scale. It's a digital weigh scale. It measures 7.3 inches by 5.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and it weighs 1.12 pounds. It retails for $29.96. Next, I have the Miscellaneous stainless steel straws with silicone flex tip covers. It comes with 2 cleaning brushes and a portable bag. They're 8 millimeters in diameter and they retail for $8.99. As my daughter would say, we need to save the turtles. This is the Smart Design 2-tier stackable pull-out baskets. They measure 18 by 11.75 inches and they retail for $24.97. I actually ordered 2 of these. I have one under my kitchen sink and one in my bathroom. My next category is for the bedroom. Next, I have the Amazon Basics Ultra Soft Micro Mink Sherpa Comforter Bed Set in cream. It comes with 2 pillowcases and it's very lightweight. I really enjoy it because I don't like being too hot, especially in the summer. It's great. And it retails for $44.99. Here I have the Majo Room Bed Sheet Set. They're extra soft, they're made with Egyptian cotton. These queen sheets have a 15-inch deep pocket. They're breathable, wrinkle-free, stain-resistant, hypoallergenic. It's a 4-piece set. It comes with a fitted sheet, flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases, and it comes in a variety of 26 different colors to choose from. This retails for $29.99. Next, I have a toy chest by Great Useful Stuff. It's collapsible with a flip-top lid. It's 30 by 15 by 16 inches and has handles on each side for easy carrying. It retails for $39.99. Next, I have a Sagler Daily Activity Organizer 7-shelf portable closet hanging closet organizer. It retails for $15.99. This hanging closet organizer has been a lifesaver in our household. My daughter, she could never figure out what she wanted to wear every morning, so every week we have her take out all of her clothes and decide what day she's going to wear them, and she has all of her clothes picked out for the whole week. Yeah, I highly recommend this. Next, I have the Signature Sleep Memoir 8-inch memory foam mattress in the twin size. They retail for $199.99, and I purchased 4 of these for my kids, and they've lasted, and I think I got it a good 3 years ago. Yeah, they're really good quality. I highly recommend. My next category is for the bathroom. My next item is the Mito Vila Retro Spring Floral Shower Curtain. It measures 72 inches wide by 72 inches long and retails for $19.99. It is really pretty and I highly recommend. My next item is the Sorbus Cosmetic Makeup and Jewelry Storage Case Display. It has 3 large drawers and 4 small drawers and it retails for $31.99. I have this on my counter in my bathroom and I'm actually contemplating getting another one. Next, I have the Fanola No Yellow Shampoo and NutriCare Conditioner. It's a 1,000 milliliter bottle and it retails for $29.80. And I have had blonde hair for a really long time and this is the best purple shampoo that I have ever gotten. It is amazing. This is a facial cleansing brush and it has red and blue light IPX7 waterproof face scrubber with 3 speed modes. It has face brushes for cleansing and exfoliating with 5 brush heads. It's fully rechargeable and it retails for $34.98. My next category is Decor. My first item is the Crystal Decor Himalayan Pink Salt Lamp Basket and Dimmer Cord Bulb. It retails for $19.99. This is the Sandusky Gray Wire Shelving Unit. It has 4 shelves and measures 31 by 31 by 11 inches. I use ours for a shoe rack and it works great. It retails for $29.88. This is the DHP Rosewood Tall End Table. It's a functional accent table with a lower shelf. It's made of solid wood and wood veneer construction. It's lightweight, it's got a 20-pound weight limit on the shelf and a 50-pound weight limit for the table. It measures 29 inches by 12 inches by 16 inches and comes in 2 different colors, either coffee or gray, and retails for $47.87. This is the Belham Living Espresso Entryway Tree with mirror, coat hooks, and storage bench. It retails for $375.82. This was a really good purchase. The only downfall is that the coat hooks were a little flimsy, so I had to replace them. This is the Songmix 4-tier shoe rack, space-saving 16-pair plastic shoe storage organizer unit. Its cabinet storage organizer comes in 2 different colors, either black and white, and retails for $35.99. I use it to organize my yarn because I crochet. The next category is for your vehicle. This is the Curt 18152 60 by 24 inch basket hitch cargo carrier. It has a 500-pound capacity, it's black steel and 2-inch fixed shank, and retails for $135.99. This is the Keeper 07203-1 waterproof rooftop cargo bag. It's 15 cubic feet. Overall size is 44 by 34 by 17, and it's crafted from rubber laminated nylon. It's designed to fit all roof racks with attachment capabilities on all 4 sides. It's soft-sided design and it's got compact storage, and retails for $56.92. My next category is miscellaneous. This is the Amazing Creation Stackable Planter Vertical Garden. It's for indoor and outdoor use. It's a 5-tier gardening tower, and it retails for $34.99. This is the Jackie LED adapter. It's a 4-pack heat-resistant standard screw socket light bulb adapter, and it's really nice because we have those stupid prong light bulbs, and with this we're able to use a standard light bulb and it saves a lot of money. Next, we have the X-Therapeutic Folding Magnetic Upright Exercise Bike with Pulse Sensor. It has a 300-pound weight capacity, a large seat cushion for those large booty Judies, an LCD display, an 8-level magnetic tension, hand pulse sensor, 3-piece crank system for smooth pedaling motion, and it folds to half its size for easy storing. The LCD display that it indicates distance, calories burned, time, speed, scan, and heart rate monitor, and it retails for $219.99. This is the Mr. Sega Soft Bristle Rubber Broom and Squeegee with a telescope handle. It measures 12.4 inches in width. It retails for $19.99. This is perfect for us because even after we vacuum, we have a ton of dog hair still left in our carpet, as you can see in this picture here. These are the Yogalicious High Waist Ultra Soft Lightweight Leggings. They're pretty much a Lululemon knockoff. They come in a variety of colors for $24.99. This is the Wall Nanny Baby Gate Wall Protector for child pressure mounted stair safety gates. It comes in white, black, brown, and gray and retails for $13.95. These are the lock laces. They're elastic, no-tie shoelaces, one size fits all for kids and adults. They come in a wide variety of colors for $7.99. This was perfect because I have an autistic child and he has a really hard time tying his shoes, so these have been a lifesaver. This is the Rubbermaid RMS-3T 3-step steel step stool. It has a project tray and it has a 225-pound capacity and retails for $52.99. My next item is the Conair Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer with dual heat. It comes in white and blue, and it retails for $47.93. My last item is the Apollo Tools 71-piece household tube kit. It comes in 2 colors, either red or pink, and it retails for $55.31. All right, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much, and as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and